Hello everyone. In this video, it will be shown how to sell investments on Vanguard. If you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To get started, log in to your Vanguard account. Once on the home page, click on Transact, then select Buy and Sell. Enter the ticker symbol of the investment you would like to sell. In this example, VTI is used. After entering the symbol, click Get Quote, then select Sell. Next, choose the account that holds the investment you want to sell. For the transaction type, choose Sell. Select the number of shares you would like to sell, or enter a specific dollar amount if that option is available. Review the details to make sure the correct investment and account have been selected. For the order type, choose the option that best fits your needs. A market order will typically sell the investment at the next available market price during trading hours. Once all details have been entered, scroll down and click Preview Order. On the preview page, Vanguard will display a summary of the transaction, including the investment being sold, the selected account, the number of shares, and the estimated proceeds from the sale. Carefully review all information to ensure everything is accurate before proceeding. If everything looks correct, click Submit Order. After the order has been submitted, Vanguard will process the transaction and execute the sale according to the selected order type. Once completed, the proceeds from the sale will be credited to the account, and a confirmation of the transaction will be available in the Account Activity or Transaction History section. And that's all there is to it. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.